The 2001 Ford Ranger. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.